In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a shoulder press and hold on a Swiss ball. Now, firstly, we're going to be doing this alternating, so I'm going to be doing one side at a time when I do the exercise. Now, firstly, sit in the middle of the Swiss ball. I want you to bring the dumbbells into a position where they're resting on your shoulders, and I want you to bring the shoulders out until you've got a 90-degree angle at the elbows. From this position, brace your core, make sure you're keeping a nice neutral spine, and you're going to shoulder press one dumbbell up and back to the start position. Now, as I've done that and done my right side there, the left side has been holding an isometric contraction. So as I bring one up, one shoulder's working to keep the position and one shoulder's working to be able to do the shoulder press. So you get an isometric contraction as well as concentric and eccentric at the same time. You would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. And by doing this on a Swiss ball, you're also going to be activating more core stability that's going to be required during the exercise. That's how you do an alternating shoulder press and hold, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.